Good morning. It's been a while since we brought out the Lamborghini SVJ, but we are headed down to Manila. Lots of updates. We are headed down to Manila, and it's been a while since we drove the Lamborghini SVJ Roadster. We have all the parts on the car ready except for the Novitec lowering springs. We're running the 21-inch and 22-inch Brixton wheels with the Dimag barrels. I thought the ride was going to get a lot harder, but it actually still feels just as hard as it used to be. We also have all the Novitec parts on the car already, and I wonder what the thoughts are, or what people are saying when they see this car rolling through the province, because it's not something you see every day, even on movies, and it's not something you see in real life. So quite interesting. We're going to try to schedule the car to go to Titan so that we can install the Novitec lowering springs and then change the brake fluid. That's how long since I've driven this car last. We basically overheated the brake fluid on track, and we're going to do a compilation for the Clark Speedway SVJ clip because it looks so good and sounds so good. Still same, the Gintani F1 exhaust and the flame tune. We finally got the comfort seats in. I have the comfort seats along with the color matched leather already, so we worked hard to basically get the leather. Thank you to Techno Monster, my bag company in Italy, for supplying us with the Lamborghini SVJ accurate leather and Alcantara, even down to the string. So, and then we have Ronald from Seatmate to help us with the seats. Anyway, this afternoon we're actually gonna head to Second Skin also, so that we can finally wire in the electric cars. We finally have the last part that we need from China. I gotta pass by the hardware to get some little stuff to complete the project, but I think we're gonna finally get it running because I want to bring one of these cars to the racetrack over the weekend next week, because I have the Miata spec race and then the 8-hour endurance race. So next week's gonna be a lot of racing. This week it's just gonna be updates with the car projects. Hopefully when we get to Second Skin we can also see what's happening to the 458 GT3, the SLS GT3, and then the Evil 5 rally car. So those three updates. I'll see you guys again when we get to Manila. So I just dropped off some stuff in the condo, and now we are headed to Second Skin. We have our supplies so that we can fix the electric cars, and then we're going to update also with the projects happening there. But first, I think we gotta get some gas. Look. Typical Lambo problems. The car is telling me to refuel already, and there's no gas station here. You know what? What am I thinking? The tank is so small that I doubt the reserve tank is big. It's another Corvette, but this one has a wide body. I like the plate too, very funny. Anyway, I think we're gonna get to gas up in the next few hundred meters. Show my face to the guard, and we're in. It's so dirty. Look how filthy this car is. So clean this morning. Back in my weekly office.
Yes.
I beat the boss apparently. So today, sana, we can get this running. I have all the parts already.
Okay. Ano pa makulang na to?
Wiring harness, because we changed the battery to go lower voltage, diba?
Okay.
So if I put the 3 battery packs they sent, we'll fry the whole car.
Really?
The supplier overvolt the battery packs. That's why they sent us 2 smaller battery packs. So it's 2 big packs, 2 small packs equals 1 car. And the guy's so apologetic, like, please don't run it yet. I know you're itching to run it. I go, yeah, it's just sitting there. I wanna drive around Rockwell. So we figured out the wiring already and we just soldered everything on. We're just gonna try to do as much work as possible. Okay, so the car is gonna get washed. You know what, let's take some B-roll of the car getting washed because it's probably gonna look good, all the dirt on the car. And then we're gonna get back to this. Check out the bag. Archie's using the Techno Monster bag. Anyway, we're gonna leave the project first. I am missing some more stuff and it's getting really late, so we're gonna come back on Thursday and complete this. For now, we're gonna leave our stuff here, functional trunk, and then yeah, we'll be back Thursday so that we can double check everything again. I am missing a few things and I want to get my butt connectors. Make it easier for me to bridge the negative terminals together. I'm rushing out because I totally forgot I have to pick up RWB Ark Angel because we don't have car for tomorrow.
And an hour now.
An hour back? Wow, I'm gonna get hit with traffic. And my underwhelming wheels.
Perfect term, underwhelming, yeah.
Which are so expensive. Look what's happening, they're finally sanding down the 458 GT3. So I had to order new rear wheel barrels for this because the tires are really sticking out too much, and every time we air out, it basically wants to destroy the fender. The fenders don't have any flex because they are carbon Kevlar. And look how beautiful the SLS GT3 next to the Huracan STO. I was actually contemplating on getting an STO, but maybe not. That looks great together though. Only problem that we noticed with the GT3 is that we had a really bad accident, which is this side right here. So I'm actually going to try to rush order fender. So it looks like we've had a collision here too, in the front. And then a little of the rear had collision too. We need a new front windshield for sure.
So nice.
You're the one who told me when first bought the car, you're like, "Ba't hindi carbon to?"
Now it's all carbon. I'm
Diba?
surprised.
I was like, sige, I'll get a Novitec.
Hood na lang kulang we ordered.
I ordered the 1016 hood. Even Keith's like, I told you should have gotten it. And it's like,
it looks super nice with the vents.
in the photos, it didn't look that great. But when I saw the orange car, I'm like,
Ganda.
I'm like, that
Ganda.
makes the car angrier. Carbon.
Yeah.
Carbon.
How do you like the color?
No, not carbon.
Tiny rock chip there.
Oh well. I hope it's not the paint.
I think it's just the PPF.
That's the nice thing with the PPF.
Yep.
Yeah, the nostrils.
Oof, ganda.
Range Rover.
Over a G6.
Yes, comfort over speed. I don't need a fast SUV. I need a comfortable SUV because everything else is not comfortable.
Everything else.
What are you telling me? Not enough carbon?
Yeah, so I was showing Angie one of the cars that we did. So
The
this
roof
an
line is
SVJ
carbon.
Roadster. The roof line's carbon. The windshield surround is carbon. Side mirrors were carbon. Side skirts were carbon.
It's like I already got more carbon. It's not enough carbon.
And his bonnet was carbon also. Like
Okay, we have the
rear-
1016 carbon bonnet coming.
Yeah, perfect.
But this, you were saying this was carbon.
The entire thing was carbon.
This is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, the side skirt was carbon.
This
I
was
don't have
carbon.
any of that option. Side mirror was carbon.
Oh, yours is carbon already.
Oh yeah, we changed that. Novitec, thank
Oh, this
you.
was factory. But this is
That's Novitec.
yeah, better than factory, of course.
Yeah, with the Novitec nostrils. I have the Novitec chin, but it broke during shipping, so now there's a crack in the
Oh.
middle.
Shit.
So this is the rift chin. But I mean, I like the
Yeah, I like
touring
it too.
style, like,
Looks really nice.
especially the back. People can see how wide the car is
Yeah.
because of the highlight. You back me up, sir,
Yeah.
so that we can hear the beautiful Gintani exhaust.
The best exhaust ever.
Take off. I will be back. Thank you.
See you. Bye bye. Take care. Can you rev the car a little bit?
Yes! Had to grab the steering wheel of the GT40. We're gonna drop that off and pick up RWB Ark Angel. Finally back in the GT40. I'm very worried for this drive because it's very late. It's rush hour. My right foot hurts so much. Park this baby first. Your exhaust sounds so much better. We didn't get the tail lights on because we're still missing an LED. What is up? All the cars have no gas. Are you kidding me? The exhaust sounds so good. Actually, we removed the exhaust. We did a muffler bypass. It's a Fabspeed muffler bypass. It just goes from the catalytic out. So it bypasses everything, it lightens the whole system, and it makes it sound so good. You can hear the turbo spool now. Anyway, we're gonna go get some gas, and then I think we're gonna end the vlog. I'll see you guys again soon.